So, okay, so from here, I have 12. I have 12 minus 9i. Okay, 9. Let's resolve this. Let's resolve this too. Minus 9i plus 8i will give me minus I. Why? Because minus 9 plus 8 is minus 1. Okay, so this and this will give me plus 6 because minus is plus. And all over. Now look at where I said these two will resolve themselves. You see, always minus 12i plus 12i will cancel. Because it will give me 0. So I have 16, then finally plus 9. Minus is plus 9. So you see that the numerator will give me a scalar, give me just one number without a complex number. So I have this and this, they're the same thing, they are the same, I can transfer them together. 12 and 6 is 18 minus I all over 16 plus 9 will give me 25. So 25. So I can do it like this.